Nginibingelele futhi kwi-video yanamhlanje kula ku-February 11 kanje. Kuku-February 11 kade-ke ngizwa abanye bethi sekusondele i-Valentine isisondele, so abantu ba-excited, abantu bayilinde ngawayizolo, bayilinde kakhulu nje ba-excited abantu ngesingisi. They are looking forward to i-Valentine ngesingisi. Kumina i-Valentine njenge-birthday kumina angilokhu nje angiyeni umuntu wama-birthday ngoba ngikhule vele i-birthday yami inga-celebrate-wa. Ngikhule nje ekhaya kunga-celebrate-wa birthday yamuntu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuze i-celebrate-we i-birthday yakho ekhaya kufanele kube uwena ofaka leyo effort leyo ukuthi i-birthday yakho yenzeke, and then-ke mase-ke usuyifakile i-effort-ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi wawusizakala ngazo ngoba ama-birthday engisake ngawabona ekhaya awu-two. Enye ngicabanga ukuthi ngawa still in primary school ngangikumabanga aphansi asesikoleni e-primary. Eyesibili ngayibona futhi ngilapha I think ngangilapha ngoba kwakuyi-21st yomuntu and ngine-sure ukuthi loya muntu owenza i-21st wayezenzela yena, nalo owayenzelwa i-birthday ngisemncane wayenzela umamakhe. So ngiwumuntu nje vele wama-birthday okhule ngawalokho nje engawa-celebrate kakhulu, okhule ngawa-celebrate. Izinto-ke ezinjengama-birthday kanje zidinga i-effort from umzali. So mawuzokhula kule environment engakhula under yona mina umzali engekho, akekho vele umuntu ozokwenzela i-birthday ngoba vele usuke engekho umuntu onendaba per se. Usuke engekho umuntu onendaba, so izinto ezinjengama-birthday umuntu uzameqa nje umuntu ngoba umzali wadlula emhlabeni ngo-98. Hhayi ngoba-ke ngithi manje mhlampe ngithi ngangiwafuna ama-birthday, cha ngangingawafuni ngoba kwase ku-normal vele ukuthi okay no, i-birthday ayibi khona njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi bambalwa abantu even ekhaya engababona ababenzelwa ama-birthday, bambalwa kakhulu. Indlebe yami iyadikiza ngalana angazi kuchaza ukuthini lokho. So bambalwa kakhulu vele abantu ababenzelwa ama-birthday ekhaya. So izinto ey'njengama-birthday umuntu akaze ayi-celebrate-e, izinto ezinjengo-Valentine kanje umuntu akayi-celebrate vele, akayi-celebrate. Ngisajola-ke ngey'khathi zami, ngisajola kwakuyinto engangingayi-celebrate vele ngoba wonke umuntu engangim-date-a ngangimchazela ukuthi kumina lezi zinto ezinjengo-Valentine azibalulekile kumina, angikaze ngiyi-celebrate vele. Ngiphinde futhi ngibuye ngichaze ngithi unga-ofendeki uma kuzoba i-birthday yakho ngingashongo lutho because even nami eyami i-birthday angikakaze ngiyi-celebrate, so I do not know ukuthi kwenziwani ukuze noma yimaphi ama-requirements noma izinto ey'lindelekile ukuthi uzenze nge-birthday yomuntu ukuze ajabule. Ezinye-ke izinto as umfana cause uqala ube yingane ube umfana and then later you become a man, umuntu wesilisa. Ezinye izinto ey'ningi uy'funda ekhaya noma uy'funda within the environment you grew up under. Uma zizokugeja laphana kuba nzima ukuthi umqondo wakho uyi-rearrange-e usumdala umqondo wakho and then ufune ukuzenza. So ngangihlezi ngangihlezi nginamalokhunja, nginama-problems when it comes to ngisajola, when it comes to umhla ka-14 kanje February ya. Ngangihlezi nginalawo ma-problems anjalo ngisajola because usuku lalingabalulekile kumina. Kuphinde futhi ngiphinde ngishaywe ukuthi akekho umuntu ekhaya nje, akekho umuntu ekhaya owazi ukuthi ngazalwa nini. Yazi ukuthi omunye angathi hhayi bo ayikho into enjalo, baningi kabi abantu, ngeke kuwukuthi wayengekho umuntu wayekhona uma ngakhe ebeletha. Ekhaya bazi ukuthi ngazalwa nini, akekho umuntu owaziyo. Ngikhule nje kanjalo engekho umuntu owaziyo. Ngagcina sengamukela futhi. Into-ke eyenziwayo as umuntu oke wasebenza kwilokhunja kwi-Department of Health sector, into eyenziwayo laphana if ever ingane singayazi i-birthday yayo, siyinika u-0101, u-0101, uJanuwari 1. Lesi mhlampe esesibhedlela uyabonakala ukuthi mhlawumbe wazalwa kuya-estimate-wa, mhlawumbe wazalwa ngo-2001, kushuthi sizomnika u-2001 0101 0101. So umthetho wase-South Africa wa-Department of Health ka-government usho njalo ukuthi simnika u-0101. So ngiku-realise-e later nami ukuthi I became a victim of leyo nto ekanjalo, ukungaziwa kwami ukuthi ngazalwa nini cause mina ngu-93 0101. Ngawamukela u-93 0101 ngakhula nawo until later when I started working sengi-employed, ila ngabona khona ukuthi oh, nami ngi-fall-a under the same category yabantu abangaziwa ukuthi bazalwa nini. Ngenza kanjani? Ngayobuza ekhaya ukuthi ngazalwa nini, akekho ngempela umuntu owaziyo, akekho. Abanye bathi uJulayi 17, abanye bathi abanye basho kwabo nje futhi abanye bathi hhayi kwakuwu-New Year. Uma ubuza ukuthi wazalelwa kephi, the common answer oyitholayo kuhlezi kuthiwa kwakusekhishini ngizalwa, kwakusekhishini. I-common answer nje engihlezi ngiyithola ukuthi leyo kwakusekhishini. Ukuthi-ke liphi ikhishi angilazi cause phela manje umuntu angithi unamakhaya amaningi, ikhishi liphi awukwazi konke lokho. Zonke lezo zinto lezo they died, yonke leyo information enjalo, yonke leyo knowledge enjalo, which forms a very important integral part of mina. Yonke leyo information enjalo died or passed away ngesikhathi uma edlula emhlabeni, yahamba nje naye, yahamba naye. So umuntu vele ukhula kunama-questions around yena, kunama-questions around yena because umuntu akazazi. Umuntu onjengami nje akazazi, umuntu onjengami akazazi ukuthi uwubani, uyaphi, uqhamuke kephi. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi if you gonna say kumina ngazalelwa ekhishini, liphi ikhishi, who was there, yabo? Cause manje uma ngiyibuka mina yonke into ichaza ukuthi uma gave birth on herself noma gave birth yena, like wangizala yena without any help around, cause it seems like akazange aye esibhedlela. And akekho umuntu osekhaya osokathi hhayi ngangikhona mina uzalwa, cause if ever umuntu ekhona babezokwazi ukugcina i-date, babezokwazi ukugcina i-date. So kubuke engathi uma wangizala yena ngedwa la ayikhona. Nakhona futhi lokho ngikushiso because akwaziwa, njengoba ngisho ukuthi umuntu basically akana-identity, umuntu akana-identity nje. Mina I do not have i-identity. Nakhona la engizalela khona uma ekhishini, if ever uzozala wena as a female, wena you gonna give birth on your own. Eventually I think you gonna have to pass out, mhlawumbe uzo-pass out ukhathele because of pain nani nani, yabo? Mhlawumbe kade uphusha ingane if ever yaphushwa ingane because phela angazi. So vele uzo-pass out and then in the end leyo ngane leyo kuzomele ibekwe somewhere, ikhale somewhere. Oseku-break-a ini i-attachment leyo because whenever umzali gives birth to ingane, kumele leyo ngane leyo at least ayibambe emahlombe akhe until she falls asleep. Cause the first heartbeat ingane kufanele iyizwe noma the first warmth ingane kufanele iyizwe kufanele kube eyengane noma khona kuzoba naleyo connection leyo yokuthi okay, noma kungathiwa ziyakhala iy'ngane, ingane igijime ivele iye kuma ifike ikhale kuyena uma. Mina ngingakaze ngibe nayo into enjalo, hence ngikhule ekhaya mina kuma ngithi usisi cause ngikhule bethi usisi abanye abantu. So nami I grew up saying usisi kuyena. It was usisi Lindiwe, usisi Lindiwe, usisi Lindiwe. Angimkhumbuli vele kahle since she passed away ngo-98. I think I was 4 years if not 5 years. Njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi engikukhumbulayo ngimkhumbula ekhala embhedeni ephethwe ikhanda. Cause i-death certificate yakhe ithi kwaba i-cardiac arrest, but ngezwe kuthiwa wayephethwe ikhanda. Cause there's this amazing female engiseke ngayidate, like this amazing woman nje engiseke ngamdate. Ngiseke nganayo le conversation nayo ukuthi okay, uma kuthiwa i-death certificate ithi kwakuyi-cardiac arrest, but ngikhumbula kwakuthiwa kwakuyikhanda. For her it was a sensitive topic. Wangiphendula but I'm not sure ukuthi wangiphendula wathini. I'm not sure ukuthi wangiphendula wathini. So leyo connection leyo njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi umuntu akanalokho nje akanama-roots, cause ama-roots akho as ingane kufanele kube uma wakho. Ama-roots akho kufanele kube uma wakho. Umuntu wazalwa and then I just feel like avele akhathwa ama-roots amisi. I feel like avele nje akhathwa at an early age. Mekhathwa kwakukum-experience egula, which created i-void enkulu leyo, and then-ke she passed away. And then when she passed away, vele umuntu akakwazi ukulokhunja. Umuntu grows up in environment akhula kuyona which was dominated by ama-females, but lawo ma-females lawo nawo awazange al-offer-rishe uthando. They did not. So umuntu whenever ekhula kule environment le uselahlekelwe vele uthando, uselahlekelwe i-effort vele of how to treat umuntu wesifazane. I'm not saying ukuthi ngi-abusive, ngiyabashaya, no, angikwenzi lokho. I'm against lento le yo-G_B_V, but ngisholo ukuthi in terms of umuntu wesifazane ukumthanda, ukum-understand-a, ukuthi naye aka-understand even leyo feeling leyo yokwazi ukuthi okay, there's someone ongithandayo, ongamukelayo for who I am. Lento kumele kufanele iqale ekhaya njengoba mina ekhaya I grew up kunabantu besifazane abaningi. So leyo affection from umuntu wesifazane wasekhaya, by affection ngisho ukuthi angi-understand-e, angithande, angi-assure ukuthi okay, as much as uma wakhe engasekho but ngikhona mina, yabo. Umuntu leyo nto leyo akanayo, so leyo nto plays a negative role when umuntu sekufanele a-date. Like it plays a negative role. Izolo nje umuntu ulale ngabo-7, lale ngabo-7 mengihlalele nama-jita, and then I went straight to la endlini ngazolala, and then I woke up ngabo-12. Vele ngisheshe ngahamba emajitheni because I was feeling shallow vele. I was feeling shallow, bengikhathele, ngi-empty. Khona i-feeling engisengayichaza-ke ukuthi it disappears and then mesibuya. Leyo feeling leyo i-heavy ngale ndlela. I think ile feeling abantu ababa nayo before they decide to commit i-suicide. Cause leya feeling leyana ikwenze ubone ngathi akulungi lutho noma ungenzani akulungi lutho. I think ileyo feeling igcine isiphushela abantu ukuthi benze ba-commit. Yabo, angikho-ke mina-ke suicidal nhlobo, angikho suicidal, angikho nhlobo. So I woke up nayo leyo feeling leyo, and then I started texting omunye untombazane wangasekhaya esikhuluma naye nje ngezinto ey'ningi. I started texting yena, texting. I think ngimshiyele ama-message awu-20. And mangiyicabanga lento, uma sekuthiwa u-boyfriend wakhe uyayibona, what if ubeka-boyfriend wakhe elokhu engena ama-message ebusuku, ngena ama-message, kuzobe engathi mhlampe untombazane useya-cheat-a, kanti cha, I was just going through leya void leyana, kuba i-void empty. It's like kuba into engaphakathi empty. Kuvele nje kube empty ngale ndlela. Kuvele kube empty, yonke into engayenzi sense. Uvele ufile engathi ngingavele ngilokhu nje ngilale like for months, for weeks, yabo. Ukulala-ke for months, for weeks kusuke kuyilento engiyishoyo le nama-suicidal thoughts, yabo, cause uvele ufile engathini engathi ngingavele ngiphumule, ngiphumule nje ngingabe ngisayifila lento engiyifilayo. So lento iyafika ibuye ihambe futhi, iyafika ibuye ihambe. It becomes a problem-ke if ever izokufica ungekho kwi-relationship nomuntu omthandayo, noma ungekho nje kwi-relationship at all. It becomes heavy kakhulu futhi at the same time it becomes a problem kulo muntu lo osuke ukwi-relationship naye, because uvele anga-understand ukuthi like why are you switching off? Why wenzeka kanje? Why ukhuluma kanje? Why do you want to be alone? Futhi you do not want to be alone. Ngikhumbula this one time, I think it was 2 years back, kwaku-December. Nganginale feeling le. I just nga-drive ngo-2 entatha nga-drive from P_M_B to Lokhonja eMhlanga lapha ngasePeleza, because I just felt like I needed to go to ngasolwandle ngihlale nje laphana. Ngihlale mhlampe lalizongikhama down, hence ngahamba ngaya khona. Ngathexta-ke lo ntombazane, ngathexta ngavuka ekuseni, wangisendela ama-V_N, u-right, kwenzakalani, and umuntu akekho-ke right, akekho right, akekho right kakhulu umuntu. Kuzobe kuwunyaka wokuqala lo kuyi-Valentine umuntu engasa-relationship, because last year I was in a relationship. Nakuloya nyaka loya I was in a relationship. So unyaka wokuqala lo, njengoba sekusondela nanomhla ka-14 lo, izinto ziba heavy, because why? As much as umuntu bengakwazi uku-reciprocate uthando, uku-celebrate ama-birthdays omuntu with the person I was dating previously, bese ngiyifundisile, bese ngikufunda, sengiku-understand ukuthi okay, i-birthday yakhe angenzi kanje, i-birthday yakhe I need to be there, I need to support i-birthday yakhe. Uma kuyi-Valentine, I'm not sure ukuthi ikuphi engamenzela kona, but I did, kukhona engakwenza, because nami ngase sengithole umuntu o-right, ngase ngi-willing ukuthi okay, yazini, I need to let go of ama-abilities ami of not being able to reciprocate uthando njengoba ngisho ngama-birthdays noma ngama-Valentine. So into kade sengiqalile leyo, sengilokhona, sengiyifundise yona, sengiyi-understand-a, cause ngiyakhumbula nje nge-birthday yakhe ngafaka usizo la ngenza khona, usizo la kwakufanele ngisize khona, ngasiza khona. Ngasiza khona, I even called amanye ama-cheaters aseMasdeli ayishutha ukuthi bafethu khona umuntu odinga ukushuthela la, yabo, ngemali engaka, but lo muntu ngakumina, yabo, so ngiyacela ningamshayi kakhulu financially. And then ama-cheater they were like, hayi mfethu, siyabonga ukuthi uthi lapho away from eHammersdale, usicabangele mfethu ukuthi sikwazi ukwenza into ethile, sikwazi ukuthola imali nathi. So ama-cheater agibela, ngawathatha la eNzansi ku-Eastreet, sahamba saya kwi-venue, ama-cheater ashutha, yonke into ya-right, bathola imali yabo before beze bezoshutha. Ilokhu engikushoyo ukuthi nga-contribute-a nami ngendlela engabona ngayo for i-birthday yakhe, which I was not supposed to be there because of ama-reasons athile, but ngaba khona lapho. Ila ngase ngiqale khona uku-understand ukuthi oh okay, lento iyenzeka even though ngiyibambe late, vele ngiyibambe late lento yama-birthdays, nanokulokhunja, nanokuthanda umuntu wesifazane like holy nje, holy. Kade kungekho lula, but kuyena ngikufundile. Njengoba-ke ngihlezi ngisho ngithi bekungekho lula kuyena, kakhulu. Bekungekho lula kuyena because I come with iy'nkinga ey'ningi. I come with so many mistakes. I come with so many flaws. Ngiqhamuka nayo yonke into engekho right, engekho right, engekho right. And ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma kuwukuthi uhlangana nale video le, kunga-right ukuthi uqale ubuke le yokuqala cause wonke ayistebhisi to understanding mina. Kanti uma uzolalela le, khona ezinye izinto ezamlidela umuntu ekutheni azabe la, but ozoyithola kuma-previous videos. Omunye kube ethi kumina, ngiyabona ilokhunja cause ngifake i-link on my Instagram, kuthiwa yini i-account. Bethi omunye kumina, what if njengofaka lezi zinto lezi nje, you are lokhunja, usukhuluma okokugcina basically, you are paving the way, mhlampe eventually you gonna pass away. Ngasho ngathi hhayi ngeke, angiyibuki kanjalo, but ngiyibuka in a sense yokuthi umuntu vele has always been misunderstood, misquoted, misseen, misinterpreted ekukhuleni kwakhe. Baningi which I believe abalokhunja engingakaze ngibe ne-opportunity to sit them down and then ngiba-understand-ise ukuthi ngumuntu kanjani, baningi. So njengoba nje kuza labo Valentine laba, kade ngikhuluma nomngani wami izolo uChia. Ngihlezi ngimtshela cha, ngithi Chia une-girlfriend e-right mfethu, noma kungathiwani, unoma wengane cause banengane phela, unoma wengane o-right mfethu, noma kungathiwani, umjitha vele uyaflopha cause sama-out, but kunezinye izinto ekumele ubuye uyiyeke cause njengoba usunalo muntu kanje, awusacabangeli wena, usucabangela naye cause whatever you do engekho right izom-affect-a naye negatively. So ngihlezi ngimtshela nje ngithi mfethu umuntu wakho u-right mfethu, noma kungathiwani, wenze sure ukuthi izinto uzenza ngendlela. Why ngisho njalo? It's because just because kumina sekukhona ukucima ugesi kwamnyama, it doesn't mean ukuthi amajitha ngihleli nawo ngibona engathi aseyaphuma elokhu nje emgqeni noma aseyaganga noma asethanda ukukhohlwa. Kumele umuntu aphinde awakhumbuze ukuthi hayi bo mjitha, unento e-right laphana, noma kungathiwani, do not mess it up, yabo, because umuntu kanjeyana umthola once in a lifetime. Abantu-ke banjalo-ke, abantu besifazane banjalo. Khona umuntu olokhunja o-once in a lifetime. Mina ngikholelwa ekutheni i-majority yethu emhlabeni asisoze sahlangana nomaqondana bethu, but khona lowo 20%, if not 10%, who's gonna be granted leyo opportunity leyo yokuthi ahlangane ne-soulmate yakhe. Akuyena wonke umuntu oyohlangana ne-soulmate yakho. Kuyokwenzeka kwabanye uhlangane ne-soulmate yakho isihethiwe umuntu somewhere okade engayithandi because vele lowo muntu was not meant for her, or lowo muntu was not meant for him. Afike umuntu kuwena umbone ukuthi okay, lo muntu unawo wonke ama-qualities engiwadingayo and uyangithanda, but because useqhamuke endaweni ethile, useshayekile, then akasakwazi ukuthi open up to you freely, open up to you ngendlela ekufanele kube yiyona. Usezoba cautious ngayo yonke into ayenzayo because uhambile waya lapha la kade engathandwa khona, wafike walimala, wakubona wena later. Mase sekubona later usushayekile wena noma useshayekile yena. Bekunento engihlezi ngisho mase bevele bayahleka abantu uma ngibatshela ngithi mina umaqondana hhayi ulokhunja. Umaqondana ukhona, bangibuza ukuthi hayi bo, uma uthi ukhona owakho uyokumthola nje kodwa. And ngibatshele ukuthi the sad part ukuthi usafika wahamba owami. That's the sad part. Usafika wahamba owami. Is it me shutting doors yini for omunye umuntu ongafika? No, akumina o-shut-a down lokhunja umnyango. Akumina o-shut-a down. lokho nje umnyango, but it's me acknowledging ukuthi umuntu which I deemed as being perfect, ngeke asalokho nje, ngisaphinde ngimthole futhi. Why? Ubuka i-state okusona as a human being, ubuke i-state umuntu ekusona. If ever umuntu ezoba la phezulu ube la wena, but lo muntu loyo ephezulu akwazi futhi to just care for you, enze yonke into to show you ukuthi uyakuthanda, abe relentless, ebe enaye like engavuki ekuseni aphuma ahambe, yabo? But a-stick-e nawe through yonke into. Umuntu ongabuki ukuthi unani, ongabuki ukuthi oh okay usenesikorokorwana lona esihambayo esifikayo ku-point A to point B, angize kuyena, yabo? Angize kuyena. Umuntu ongabuki lokho, sonke sinabo osofa. Kade ngikhuluma noMthobisi ngithi sonke sinabo osofa, but kulesi sikhathi samanje you find ukuthi intombazane inosofa abangcono kunawe. So having leyo lokhunja, having leyo chance leyo to date umuntu onosofa abangcono kunawe, aku-understand-e enosofa abangcono kunawe, unalabo osofa bakho wena, like into e-very rare leyo, into e-very rare, into nje e-very rare kakhulu. Bengilokhunja nje bengilethwe yiyona lento le yo-Valentine's, umhla ka-14 kulaba abazoyibungaza, kube mnandi kube njeya. O-Valentine kumina banjengo-New Year, lo New Year kuthiwa i-birthday yami, ngisuke ngiyilalele nje. Ngiyakhumbula nje kulo New Year lo ngangiyilalele, ngaloya New Year loya ngangithenjisiwe ngokuthi no mina nje because i-birthday yakho we gonna go out and stuff, I'll take you out and stuff, yabo? But-ke kwangenzeka 'cause umuntu wagcina esegibela ibhanoyi eseyiyela somewhere. Kwangenzeka ngaphatheka kabuhlungu vele kodwa ngabuye ilokhu ukuthi like vele ngumuntu vele i-birthday ongakaze ayi-celebrate. As much as I was there for eyakhe i-birthday yena akazange abe khona for eyami. Like phela akangikweleti just because I was there, it doesn't mean ukuthi kufanele abe khona yena. Sekusuka kuyena umuntu lokho ngaphakathi ukuthi okay, umnenhle was there for i-birthday yami, nami angimi lokho nje for i-birthday yakhe. But-ke ngeke uze uba-force abantu ukuthi benze into abangafisi ukuthi bayenze. So from then I knew ukuthi vele lento le yama-birthday is not for me, is not for me. Umuntu nje oseke wangithengela ikhekhe nge-birthday yami kwaku-Roxanne. I used to have this friend e-university at UT, Roxanne. I used to have Roxanne. URoxanne wangithengela ikhekhe nje, uRoxanne wangithengela ikhekhe, wangilethela iresi, and wayazi ukuthi ngangiqala ngqa kulokho nje, I think it was 2015 ngangiqala ngqa ukuthengelwa ikhekhe nge-birthday yami. Wangilethela uRoxanne ikhekhe the following year iresi, ngoba phela kwakuvaliwe. Wangilethela the following year sezivulile. Wayengithekstile futhi 'cause uRoxanne ubenza sure ukuthi nje uyangitheksta whenever kwi-birthday yami uyangitheksta because she understood ukuthi kwakubaluleke kanjani kumina, even though kuyena was always like, hhayi, ama-birthdays awabalulekile kumina. URoxanne is one of the few people owakwazi ukungi-understand-a from afar. Like akayibonanga i-need yokuthi aze asondele kumina, ahlale nami and spend isikhathi eside nami ukuze ngi-understand ukuthi ngumuntu kanjani, which did happen eventually 'cause mina naye we became close friends like for 4 years, yes, ngise-duty sazizwana sino-Roxanne ngale ndlela to a point whereby mehambile kubo wengishiya no-Key eme-Cape Town kubo, 'cause I remember this one time I think they were going to Scotland beno-husband wakhe, bangishiya nje endlini. Bathi okay, ungahlala la endlini, I think it was June, uhlala la endlini and take care of my plants please. Wangibhalela some paper-nyana elalilingaka ukuthi okay, iyiphi echelwa nini, iyiphi echelwa nini, iyiphi echelwa nini, iyiphi echelwa nini, iyiphi echelwa nini. But-ke ngiyo-expand-a ngalokho more once ngaqhubeka laphana njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngisazo-add enye ilokhunja u-part 2 wamase-university ukuthi sengifika-ke khona kwenzakalani. So uRoxanne was part of abantu ababelapho and she cared kakhulu, kakhulu. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi I cannot go back now and then call and say Roxanne kukanje kanje 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 because Roxanne ushadile, usenaney'ngane manje, unomkhwenyana. So it's gonna be weird ukuthi lo mfana ofunda naye i-res usalokhu I mean lo ofunda naye lokhunja e-university ofunda naye e-university ulokhu ekufonela manje years later yabo. So it's gonna be awkward. The same way I do not call Christine, the same way I no longer call uSane because asisekho lokhunja isidingo. Like impilo iyaqhubeka impilo. Ezinye-ke izinto lezo ezinjengo-Valentine's kanje, it's like ukukhadlisha. I used to have a problem nomuntu othile engangimdeyitha. Uma sisilele sisembhedeni sizolala sikhadlishile vele, and then mase siphaphama ekuseni mina ngizobe nginga kwichopho lombhede. Angibuza ukuthi hawu kwenzakalani? I'm like angazi ebusuku kwenzakalani, ngiyayirolela nje ngibhekile. Uma ngihamba naye e-mall, I had to ask like, is it okay if I touch your hand? Yabo, mhlawumbe unento la, is it okay ukuthi ngiyayisusa, ngisuse like ku-right, like is it normal yini? Konke lokho kubangwa yini? Oh, wayethi kumina i-affection. Yes, I like i-affection. I-affection ngiyayilekha kakhulu, nganginga-understand until later engichazela ukuthi when I say you lack affection ngisho ngo-ABC. I was like, oh okay, uqinisile. So you can imagine naye she's dating umuntu olack affection. So uma-lack affection umuntu awazi noma like are you the problem as a female yini? Akakufili noma kwenzakalani la yabo, noma kwenzakalani la kwenzakalani la, only to find ukuthi i-problem imina, it's the way I grew up. Ilento kade ngisho ukuthi even from i-warmth umuntu akayazi, i-warmth from any female nje ekhaya umuntu akayazi. The only picture you have of uma wakho ukuthi ekhala ephethwe ikhanda. So i-affection nje vele nje umuntu into anganayo, umuntu anganayo. So it comes a time when umuntu-ke is dating umuntu amthanda ngale ndlela and lo muntu ukhala ngaleyo affection leyo. Usengay'buza omunye ukuthi kanti kulaba abanye abantu okade ubadeyitha before ubuyenza njani? Laba abanye abantu engangibadeyitha before ibona ababethanda mina ngangingabathandi bona, and imina owaye-in control. Kwakwenziwa ngendlela yami kulowo mjolo loyo. Sewuhluleka, I was like nawu umnyango uhamba la. But this time around I came across umuntu engangimthanda. So njengoba kulo muntu engimthanda ila kwavela khona ukuthi okay no, I lack affection, I lack u-ABC, 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 u-ABC. So ukuze ngikwazi ukulungisa lezo zinto lezo kuzothatha isikhathi. If ever I did not get i-affection from uma since ashona ngo-98, from 1980 until 2022, and then 2022 ngideyitha umuntu, 2023 or 2022 angisakhumbuli lapha nje, ngideyitha umuntu ozo-expect-a zonke lezi zinto lezi, and kunzima for me ukuyilokhunja ukuyikhipha per se, ukuzenza lezi zinto ze-affection lezi because kungithathele iminyaka yonke ukungayazi yonke lento. So umuntu into ayidingayo ukucathuliswa, kuphinde-ke futhi kube ukuthi umuntu wesifazane phela uma uku-relationship naye akazeli ukuba uma wakho, akazeli ukuba uma wakho, akazeli. But futhi at the same time umuntu onjengami kumele umcathulise because uthanda akalazi inhlobo nje from any females, akalazi inhlobo, akalazi inhlobo. Uthanda umuntu alaziyo ileli lokulalela o-Usher, ulalela o-Usher, uyibukele ama-movie and then utsho ukuthi oh kushuthi uthando lukanje, yabo. Cause ngikhumbula nje sikhula ama-still sifundiswa ukushayela, kwakuthiwa intombi uyanaka ngasesigxobeni uncikise isandla kanje bese siyabuza ukuthi kanti kuqhubekani phakathi kwethu. So that's how we were told by ama-bras ukuthi kushayelwa kanjalo. And-ke mina-ke wesi-ke I was a late bloomer mina, I was a late bloomer. So izinto ey'ningi nje umuntu bezimshaya kakhulu esajola. So uma kwenzeka yonke lento ngivuka ebusuku ngiba nale void lena, ngivele ngifise engathi lo muntu engigcine ukumdeyitha ngangcono ukuthi usakhona. Ngivele ngifonele yona and be like, dude, angikho right, yabo. Because at least ukuba naye around as much as kwakungay'solve iy'nkinga zami, but having her around kwakunginika ukuthi kwakunginika ukukhululeka because there's someone who cared noma ngathi angikho right noma ngamsendela i-message. Okay, ngivukile ngo-12 ngo-1 angikho right nani nani, I'm going through into ekanje kanje 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 kanje. Knowing ukuthi ngiyisendele i-message kwakungenza ngafile ngcono because along the way she became a remedy. She became a remedy. Understanding umuntu onjengami ukuthi izinto ezinhle-ke kuthina-ke ayi-last futhi ayilokhu nje ayihlali ngoba zisheshe yihambe. So noma ungahlala naye but usuke ngangazi ukuthi lo muntu eventually uzongishiya per se, because angihlezi ngimtshela ngithi hhayi uwena oyo-enda umjolo wethu, yabo. But kunalama characteristics nama-qualities lawo ayenawo ayekwazi like to calm down the inner child of me. Like angihile nje in a way, angihile in a way. But-ke impilo iyaqhubeka kulaba be-Valentine nje, hhayi mina isiyongiphutha kulo nyaka, alikho futhi lokho nje icala. Kubantu abazobe be-Valentine-a, umuntu wakho ube neqiniso kuyena umuntu wakho uma umthanda, ube neqiniso nje kakhulu, umjabulise umuntu wakho. Vele-ke awukho umjolo olula, wonke umjolo unzima to a certain extent, but nje uma unomuntu omthandayo okuthandayo, ungamdedeli. Uma unomuntu okwamukelayo, owaziyo ukuthi amakhethini ala ekhaya adabukile, awuboni nje okungcono babe ukuthi sithenge amanye, amajithi azokutshela-ke ukuthi hhayi uyaku-control-a nani nani adlale ngawe. Lowo muntu loyo usuke ekuthanda because usuke efuna what's best for wena naye, because ukuphuma kwakho la u-represent-a yena. So whatever you do u-represent-a yena umuntu wakho, nanomuntu wakho uma ephuma la izinto azenzayo u-represent-a wena. Ngisho ngithi happy Valentine kuwona wonke umuntu ozobe eyibungaza. uNkulunkulu emuhle njalo kwayisholo uSjava, ngoba ubaba ehlala emuhle ngeke ubaba asiyekele sidliwe iy'lwane endle. Inkosi izosikhusela ngaphansi kwamaphikayo. Ngiyabonga.